आज के दिन में मुझे बस एक ही कोट याद आ रही है एंड दैट इज़ बी काइंड टू whom ever you meet, for everyone is fighting his or her own battle. आज की इस दुनिया में in the midst of pandemic, a polluted planet, people suffering from various kind of diseases, heart disease, cancer, asthma, everyone's life has been affected some way or the other. Jai Hind and welcome back to my channel Med Talks with Roshni. As the title suggests, we are going to talk about World Health Day 2022. And the date 7th of April marks the anniversary of the founding of the World Health Organization in the year 1948, which came into effect in the year 1950. To begin with the basic, what is WHO? The World Health Organization is a specialized agency of the United Nations which is responsible for the international public health. I guess you have noticed the emblem of WHO. The emblem of WHO was first chosen by the World Health Assembly in the year 1948. That is the founding year of WHO. The emblem consists of the United Nations symbol surmounted by a staff with a snake coiling around it. The staff with the snake around it has long been a symbol of medicine and medicinal profession. You might have thought someday or the other, why does the medical logo have a snake? The snake has served as the medicinal emblem for more than 2,400 years. And since its association with the ancient Greek god of medicine and healing, the great ASCLEPIUS, in the 4th century before Christ. So that was a basic history of the past. Let's come back to the present scenario. The WHO celebrates annually the World Health Day on its day of foundation, the 7th of April, and each year it draws attention to a particular health topic of concern to people all over the world. So as for this year, WHO estimated that more than 13 million deaths around the world each year are due to avoidable environmental causes. So this includes the climate crisis, which is the single biggest health threat facing humanity. Keeping this in mind, WHO has chosen the theme for this year as Our Planet, Our Health. The thought of WHO behind creating this theme were a few questions which I'm going to show you now. First of all, are we able to reimagine a world where clear air, water and food are available at all? Where economies are focused on health and well-being? Where cities are livable and people have control over their health and the health of the planet? Further talking on this topic, the WHO has noticed various health related problems which I'm going to state you one by one. So first of all, the political, social and commercial decisions are driving the climate and health crisis. Over 90% of people breathe unhealthy air resulting from burning of fossil fuels. The third being, a heating world is seeing mosquitoes spread disease farther and faster than ever before. Fourth point being, extreme weather events, land degradation and water scarcity are displacing people and affecting their health. The fifth point being, plastics and pollutions are found at the bottom of our deepest oceans and the highest mountains and have made their way into our food chain. The sixth point being, systems that produce highly processed unhealthy foods and beverages are driving a wave of obesity, increasing amount of cancer patients and heart disease, while generating a third of global greenhouse gas emissions. The seventh point being, the present design of the economy leads to the inequitable distribution of income, wealth, and power, with too many people still living in poverty and instability. And the last but the very most important thing is, while the COVID-19 pandemic showed us the healing power of science, it also highlighted the inequities in the world. So, after finding out the cause of the health problems of people and our planet, the World Health Organization aimed for a particular plan of action, which states as in, they will focus on global attention on urgent actions needed to keep humans and the planet healthy. Next is foster a movement to create societies focused on well-being. So talking about what WHO aims for this particular day. So the first what it aims is at a long-term investment, well-being budgets, social protection, legal and fiscal strategies, corporate information, support individuals and incentivized to make healthy choices. Coming on to the last part of the video, the goals what the WHO plans to achieve. It is to create sustainable well-being societies committed to achieving equitable health now and for the future generations, without breaching ecological units. So this was all for the World Health Day informations. Hope you did find it helpful, and if it did so, give it a like, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to the upcoming videos of mine.